Hello folks, in this video I will show you how to convert Word document to an EPUB file using Google Doc. So first of all, let's open the Word document, go on File, click on Open and click on Upload. After that click on Browse, upload the Word document. Now after uploading the document, click on File and click on Download. Now click on EPUB Publication. Now your file will be downloaded as an EPUB file, as you can see. So that's it for the video. If you find this helpful, please consider a like and subscribing the channel. Thank you very much.